morning, good evening, good afternoon. Since this is YouTube, this is not Pastor Dowell. This is Brother Rufus. Now, coming into the screen is Pastor Dowell. We are here at Straightway, and we're all out here with Pastor Dowell, some of the saints, and Pastor Dowell is giving instructions on how to properly zero a AR-15. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And shalom to you. Be blessed.
So, because I moved this over, 3 spaces. And when I moved it over 3 spaces, it should have actually moved you over. Okay, so make sure that you maintain the same shot.
Like a little guy, I might like.
Yeah, make sure you look through this.
Here's some of the saints that are out here witnessing it, taking in on the instructions, good instructions that Pastor's given us, not only on how to zero in on these AR-15s, but also just basic gun safety. We kind of went over again today too. Things that's needed for this last day.
And I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take one of those little orange things. I'm going to place it over there to give you a bigger sight picture on the next try once we get it over. Okay? But that's kind of small to be looking at. I mean, you're doing pretty good. That's all those skill shots and depth shots. All right?
He's trying to go in, but go kind of across.
See where Brother Alex set the gun? Now it's safe to go down and take a look at the target. Let's go see how accurate it is.
It hears you too. That's a whole lot better. So what we're going to do this time to give you a bigger sight picture.
Let's see.
Remember, when you see this, you want to see it halfway. The front sight you want to see halfway over here, okay?
So it cuts off the bottom half. Okay.
Yeah,
That's what. This is what you want the front sight to cover up half the target.
Okay. Okay. All right.
When you look through that circle, front sight you want to cover up half target, not the whole target, just half of it, okay? So I'm gonna give you something big to shoot at right here. Let's see how it goes. All right.
All right.
Invaluable instruction given by Pastor Dowell. Glory to the King.
Well, hey there, YouTube. We're out here today at Straightway giving a little bit of AR-15 handgun training right here, proper body position, trigger, squeeze, as well as sight picture. Brother Alex is doing pretty good. He has very good control, a very good eye for this, and he's doing very, very well. Very, very well. All of his shot groups within a quarter, which is pretty good at the distance that we're zeroing at. So keep listening. Or watching.
Just loading it.
Hey y'all, chilling, get back here.
Get back. To properly zero a weapon, you're going to have many different adjustments that you need to make on the front sight as well as the rear sight. Depends on the windage and elevation. The rear sight controls the windage. The front sight usually controls the elevation on an AR-15. Brother Alex has a custom one here with some proprietary rear sights, so we have to actually spend a little bit more time to do it. He's on probably about his third, or probably about his sixth set of 3 rounds. So we're gonna see what we can do right here to get him spot on.
All right. Let's go see how accurate we are.
That's what we're looking for right there. There's the first one right there. And there's the next two right there. That's exactly what we're looking for. We'll make a couple more adjustments to see if we can get you dead center right there. Wind is looking good, elevation is looking good. It's all in a straight line. We're a little bit out of it. We got two right here. So Alex is doing pretty good. We're going to go ahead and adjust the rear sight for windage. And we're going to see if we can get him spot on from this point.
Thanks, bro, Jamie.
Looking out, brother.
You can go through now because they're not.
Right. As opposed to, they can think what they want to think. And just like they think the address is, it shows up when you're done teaching, it's the address here, but they don't know that. Right.
I knew when I went over there I was going to get rebuked.
Right.
Hallelujah.
Yeah. Never hear that from me, though.
Glory to the King.
It was like 13 miles